Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the rear axle assembly on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a 9/16" socket, a 3/8" nut driver, a small flathead screwdriver, and wood supports. We recommend you perform this procedure with little or no fuel or oil in the mower. Remove the grass bag and frame if necessary. Lift up the rear of the mower and use the wood supports to support the deck on both sides. Use the 9/16" socket to unthread the mounting nuts, securing the two rear wheels. Fully remove both wheels. Next, pull the wheel adjustment lever outward to release it from the axle support. You can use the 3/8" nut driver to depress the retaining tabs on both sides of the axle support to release the old axle assembly. To prepare the new rear axle assembly for installation, transfer the wheel adjustment lever handle from the old assembly to the new one. You can use the flathead screwdriver to help do this. Now align the new axle with the support and snap it into place. Reposition the wheel adjustment lever. Realign the two rear wheels and thread and tighten the mounting nuts to secure both. Remove the wood supports. Refill the oil and fuel as required, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.